What's up, guys? It's What's Short Tech, and today we have new thermal glass for the R5. This has been reviewed and apparently is the best glass for the R5. I don't know what. Oh, these are things that you put on top of your camera, right? That's cool. I don't know if these actually fit, but that's cool that you get these. We have an adapter, we got the cleaning stuff, we got this, we have the one for the top plate, which I already have one. Let me see if this is the same size. Same size one, so that's good. So I have extra these. This is the sticker I need. There you go. Fits. Anyway, skipping. Okay, so we have all our stuff. First thing is, gotta lay that down. Need to lift this up just a tad. Okay. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put this on for me, but let's see if it actually fits the way it's supposed to. Oh my goodness, this actually fits. This actually fits. Okay, I'm only surprised because I've been trying to get one that fit for a long time and I just haven't been able to do it. And having one that actually fits is insane. Shoot. See, this is the hard part, making sure everything's aligned perfectly. Because if you don't get it perfect, then you're just screwed, especially for cameras. So, let me flip that over real quick. We use the wipes, and then we dry it off. Oh, I hope this works. It should. It looks like it's gonna be fine. We're gonna just use this as like a squeegee. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's actually pretty much solid. Like, I don't see any bubbles on it, so this is the perfect screen protector for the R5. Finally, I'll leave a link in the description below for this. And yeah, I'm surprised that it looks this good. Pretty happy about that. Anyways, yeah, that took a while to do, but that's how you put on screen protectors. So I have one more of those, just in case this one breaks or shatters. I'm super happy about this. I'm surprised this exists in there. It's so weird to get, but an adapter I could use for SD cards. That's nice. And yeah, we're good to go. See you guys in the next video. And if you have an R5, this is actually really good to have, so And it comes in like a nice little wooden box. It's nice. I like it. Alright guys, see ya.